Do you ever wake up feeling like you've barely slept, even after 8 hours in bed? Or find yourself hitting the afternoon slump so hard it feels like you're dragging yourself through quicksand? You're not alone. Here's the thing. Chronic fatigue isn't just part of life. It's your body screaming that something is off, and ignoring it could lead to serious problems. But don't worry. We're going to uncover why you're feeling this way, and most importantly, how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to supercharge your energy, reclaim your focus, and feel like yourself again. Let's dive into the real reasons behind your exhaustion. And stick with me, because number 5 is something most people overlook, but could change everything for you. First, let's talk about sleep. You might be spending enough hours in bed, but what's the quality of that sleep? If you're scrolling through TikTok until midnight, your brain isn't getting the signal to wind down. And if you're waking up at random times, guess what? You're missing out on deep, restorative sleep. Here's a quick test. If you wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck, it's not about how long you slept. It's about how well your body cycled through the stages of sleep. Pro tip: start by cutting off screens an hour before bed. And if you're thinking, but I can't fall asleep without my phone, ask yourself this: do you want energy or excuses? Because you can't have both. Next, let's talk about what you're putting into your body. That morning coffee paired with sugary snacks might feel like a quick fix, but it's actually setting you up for an energy roller coaster. Here's why. Sugar spikes your blood sugar levels, giving you a temporary high, but when it drops, boom, fatigue hits like a ton of bricks. Think about it. If your car runs on garbage fuel, how far do you think it's going to go? Switch to complex carbs, healthy fats, and protein in the morning. Oatmeal with nuts, eggs with avocado. Fuel your body like it's a Ferrari, not a junker. Here's a tough pill to swallow. Sitting all day is draining your energy. I know, it's counterintuitive. You'd think resting would conserve energy, but the truth is, your body thrives on movement. When you're inactive, your blood flow slows down, and so does your brain. Ever notice how even a 10-minute walk can shake off that midday fog? That's because movement boosts oxygen and gets your brain firing on all cylinders. So, stand up right now. Yes, right now, and do 10 jumping jacks. I'll wait. Okay, see what I mean? Here's a sneaky one. Dehydration. Did you know that even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and unfocused? Here's the kicker. Coffee doesn't count. In fact, too much caffeine can actually dehydrate you further. A good rule of thumb: drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. And if plain water bores you, add a slice of lemon or cucumber. Small changes, big impact. Now let's talk about something people don't always connect to fatigue: stress. Emotional stress isn't just in your head, it's in your body. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, which over time drains your energy reserves. Here's the scary part. If you don't address it, it could lead to burnout, and that's not easy to come back from. Start small. Practice deep breathing, journaling, or simply taking 5 minutes to unplug. Your body and mind will thank you. Finally, let's not ignore the role of micronutrients. A lot of us are walking around with low levels of vitamins like B12 or iron. And guess what? These are essential for energy production. Before you rush to buy supplements, get a blood test. Targeted solutions work far better than guesswork. And by the way, those gummy vitamins you've been taking, they're probably not cutting it. So, what's the takeaway? It's not just one thing making you tired. It's a combination of factors. Fixing your energy is about aligning your sleep, nutrition, movement, hydration, stress levels, and vitamin intake. Start with one change this week. Maybe it's turning off your phone an hour earlier. Maybe it's swapping your sugary breakfast for something balanced. Small, consistent actions lead to big transformations. But wait, there's one more thing. If you're feeling tired and struggling to lose weight, the two could be connected in ways you haven't considered. Curious? Check out my next video, Why You're Not Losing Weight, Even After Working Out. The Truth Revealed. You don't want to miss this one. It might just unlock the secret to transforming your health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs an energy boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, most energized life. And now, go watch that next video. I'll meet you there.